You're watching the first news hour debate on Times Now Super Prime Time.
Dr. Bejon Mishra, TSR Subramaniam, former Cabinet Secretary, and Anirudh Bahal are on one side of this debate tonight. So we have a citizen voice, a former Cabinet Secretary of India, and the Chief of Cobra Post. And on the other side, we have Sudhanshu Trivedi, national spokesperson of the BJP and political advisor to BJP President Rajnath Singh, Manoj Jha of the RJD, and Dr. Ajay Alok of the JDU. He was very, very defensive yesterday about his party, and he went into attack mode versus Cobra Post. But he did absolutely nothing. Yesterday, you said we'll investigate, we are concerned. Ajay, you got cold feet. You did nothing. And now you'll tell me we'll set up some inner party committee to have an investigation. What's your excuse, Ajay?
Arnav, first of all, there is no excuse. I was in your program yesterday, and very categorically I said, the first thing we are going to do tomorrow in the morning is to serve them with a notice that they should give an explanation that why an action should be instituted against them. And if found guilty, we are going to be very punitive against them. It was my statement on your channel yesterday. And today in the morning, the first thing was done by my party was a similar thing what I had said on your channel yesterday. And today my national president's statement also came, in which he very categorically stated that if found guilty, they won't be left alone. The punitive action
No, you
will
said
take its course.
yesterday.
So what's the wrong? At least we are doing what we have said.
No, 1 second. You said yesterday that you were shocked. You were shocked, right, at the revelation. What were you shocked about?
Yes. We were shocked what was being shown on the TV.
And today you're not shocked.
The member of parliament of our party is accepting money and is talking of money and for lobbying.
Life goes on today.
No, we are taking... See, the shockwave has gone. Now the time is to take action. We are taking actions now.
And where's the action? Have show cause notices been issued?
Obviously,
has an inquiry been ordered? It's 24 hours since your members of parliament are caught red-handed like that. What action have you taken?
The first action what we have taken, none of the political parties have yet taken so far. We were the quickest to take the action. We have served them with the notice and to ask them to give their explanation within 24 hours. And we are doing our own internal inquiry and assessment. The authenticity of the videotape has to be verified in face of every
TSR Subramaniam is the political leader of the JDU, the general secretary of the JDU, sounding convincing to you?
Not really, because we have seen this before, we have seen the same syndrome before. So unless action takes place here, now we saw the outrage on allegations against Ganguly and against Tejpal. Why is there no outrage in the political circles? Because it's commonplace.
Exactly.
This is something they officially spent 30-40 lakhs to get in. They actually spent 20 crores. That money has to come back within 5 years, 5 times, 10 times. That 40 crores has to be parlayed into 400 crores. So we have really
you are
seen...
saying this is officially sanctioned.
Any number of...
You are saying this is officially sanctioned corruption.
Assembly and operations.
No, you are saying this is officially sanctioned corruption. You are saying that the BJP and the JDU have allowed the MPs to make money.
It looks like that. Officially, officially, everybody is permitted to do it.
Sudhanshu Trivedi?
Only thing is don't get caught. That's all. Don't get caught.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, is that the rule of the BJP? Go and make what money you want to, just don't get caught.
It is ridiculous to say that BJP is of this type of sort, because if you look at the probity in politics, one of the major landmark decisions taken are by the NDA government. Whether it was the anti-defection law,
no, I am talking about this, Mr. Trivedi. You are going into something else. I am talking about this particular episode.
Okay. Now I'm coming. First I was clarifying what was the tendency or what was the character of our party. Now coming to this. At one point of time, when this type of things have come, party has taken immediate and quick action on this. Right now, party, there are two things. One, they act as member of parliament, and the second, they act as a party. As far as the member of parliament is concerned, the parliament committee, ethics committee, and when it will come in their knowledge through an appropriate channel, they will take the action. But as far as party is concerned, party will call the CD and we will refer it to our discipline committee. They will look into the matter, and if something is
But you've
found,
already decided. You've already decided. You've already decided that Cobra Post cannot be trusted. You've already made up your mind. What
Yes,
this
of course.
inquiry is a sham.
Yes, of course. I would like to ask to Cobra Post. So many scams have happened in the last 3 or 4 years. How many exposures they have done? It seems that they are having a selective agenda. Huge scams all over the country, in the biggest in the history of the India. But not even a single expose. Not even a single sting operation against major Congress leader. The manner in which they have, yes, of course they have unearthed something against Gujarat government. But how many against the other governments? So definitely it is having some substantive point that Cobra Post or Tehelka or other things which are now coming in the public domain in so many other manners.
No, you are
that even their
you
brothers Tehelka were having the link with the builders and mining and other things.
I think
so they cannot be treated just but showing a glimpse on the television. You want that the action should be taken
Mr. Trivedi, what's my accusation today? And I think actually instead of me accusing you, Anirudh Bahl should respond to you. But before he responds, I want to say this. Yesterday, your party spokesperson tells me, Prakash Javadekar, 10 o'clock yesterday night, says, we will verify how the letters were written and we will inquire with the MPs, you take no action. And Ravi Shankar Prasad says that is Cobra Post, have their own agenda as well. Then he's asked, what is the agenda of Cobra Post? Ravi Shankar Prasad says there is a larger picture, but he doesn't want to recommend, he doesn't want to talk further. What is this larger? I challenge you today, Sudhanshu Trivedi. You either make a direct accusation or you don't talk in circles. Are you saying they are working for the Congress party? If you are saying so, have the courage to say so directly. And then I'll get Anirudh to respond to you. What do you mean by larger picture?
The larger picture for which Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad was referring.
Make it clear. What is the larger picture?
Is it not seems that so many big, the larger picture is such a huge scams happened all over the country and particularly by the UPA government, but they have not taken interest in even a single exposing any of the scams.
No, what are you insinuating?
They are exposing the other minor
what
things
are you
on
insinuating?
Government.
What
so
are you
it is
insinuating?
For the people of India to decide that they are working lopsidedly or they are working with a certain prejudice or they are working with a certain agenda.
No, you are again.
Whatever has happened in Gujarat, they were very much about the riots of the Gujarat. But in the last 1.5 years, so many riots in UP has happened. Had they carried out any sting operation?
I don't think it is the responsibility of any journalist to check. Am I targeting Congress and BJP? Are you going to take a weights and measures and then decide? Okay, I'll do one story that targets Congress, one story that targets the BJP. I reject that kind of assessment, but I think Anirudh can respond to you.
It is the responsibility of the people and the
Anirudh to Sudhanshu Trivedi of the BJP. It is the responsibility of the
people and responsible media should look into it.
Sir, the media doesn't need lectures from political parties, but Anirudh will respond to you.
Like Arnab, it's like this. Whenever any story happens, the affected party, so to speak, XYZ, it could be the BJP, it could be the Congress, they sort of lash out at the messenger or the media platform. So it is a given. So we have to just sort of glance at it and amuse ourselves that they are going the same route. And it's very, very unfortunate. They don't question the facts that you bring out ever. They'll never question the facts. They will go on your motivation. They will go on the fact, if it's a video, whether it is doctored or not doctored, they would ascribe motives to you. It happened during Operation West End as well, where they said that George Fernandez said we were ISI agents, they said we were Hinduja agents, they said we were Congress agents. So all that, nobody took that seriously and nobody takes it seriously now. I mean, none of them are saying that the MPs have been caught asking for money, for writing letters. I mean, how severe an assault on our democracy is that? I mean, is that something to be taken lightly? Is that something that they can absolve themselves by targeting Cobra Post? Cobra Post is a very small organization. We are not mammoth. We don't have 500, 600 people, media personnel working with us. We have half a dozen people working with us. And with half a dozen reporters, the kind of stories that we managed to do, I think are sort of, to me at least, they are very fascinating. And in fact, if you look at the money laundering story that we did, didn't that assault the whole system? Didn't that say that money laundering was happening? Didn't that sort of, in a way, sort of raise fingers on the governance of the day?
No, you think Anirudh,
didn't this story
Anirudh, can I
also
ask
go
you,
across party lines?
Anirudh, do you think...
Well,
no,
please,
Ajay, one second.
please
First
do.
of all, let me make it clear here. You both the political parties here are trying to make Cobra Post out to be the accused. That strategy is not going to work.
That's
Both
right.
the BJP and the JDU are trying to make Cobra Post the accused, to put Cobra Post in the witness box, to make Anirudh Bahl the accused party here. I think he has done the expose rather than you do an expose on him. Bejon, what do you think? Is that strategy going to work?
Never. You see, they must learn to listen to people. They must learn to accept where they're going wrong. In my view, the MPs, the first thing they should do is they should themselves voluntarily resign. They should hand over the resignation letter to their party head and say, here is a resignation letter I'm giving you. I have faith in the party. Party will be unbiased.
Yeah.
Will bring the facts on the table. Will tell the public. You see, the problem is, these legislators, these elected representatives, they are going away from their responsibilities and duties. They are supposed to spend time in legislating. They are supposed to spend time in scrutinizing. They are supposed to be spending time to take care of the people's wishes and desires. Instead, they are busy writing letters, lobbying for companies, for corporate heads, doing all kinds of activities for which they are getting enriched, they are getting paid, it's on record. They should learn to accept. You see, the point is they don't want to accept that they have gone wrong, that they have got caught. And if you have got caught, you have to be bold enough to say that I have got caught and I am sorry, I am putting my resignation, I will never do it again. I assure you people that I will never make this happen again, and let the party decide what to do. Then all the inquiry, ethics committee of the parliament, all these mechanisms, let it get into working.
No, but they are
let them
hiding
find
behind
out the
those
truth,
mechanisms.
whether the Cobra Post is...
They are hiding behind those mechanisms.
That's what I'm saying.
I want
Absolutely.
to see Sudhanshu Trivedi.
What you have to say is that these...
I want to see if Sudhanshu Trivedi
You see,
and Ajay Alok,
these mechanisms...
if they must address the issue. The issue is this, that your party, first let's get Manoj Jha.
Can I come in?
No, let's get Manoj Jha. He's your political rival. I hope he will not score political points, but let's get him into this of the Manoj Jha of the RJD, and then we are going to open debate. And the question that I'm asking you, all the viewers of Newshour, is this. Here is a situation where principal political parties like the BJP, JDU, Congress, and the BSP also, I think, in this case, have their members of parliament caught on tape agreeing to write letters for a fictitious corporate company, many of them in exchange for cash. 24 hours have passed. The story is moving off the headlines on most of the media, unfortunately, and it appears the members of parliament are going to get off. I can say this with all responsibility, Manoj Jha, that in any other country in the world, an incident like this would have happened and it would have rocked the government and the political establishment. But perhaps we have become so used to corruption that we want to move on. We'd rather go to petty party politics than talk about an issue as this. Manoj.
Arnav, I just wanted to clarify that somebody like me, who is seeking a political entry in the parliamentary democracy, I must tell you and must confess that these kind of expose depresses me and tells me that probably people like me are unfit to enter. So that's the first part. I also believe that it only has unmasked probably which was always the ugly reality of some of the conduct of our parliamentarians. But secondly,
let me ask you this,
more
Manoj.
I would like you to focus on that we are living in...
Manoj, if I were to ask you.
Please, Arnav.
If an RJD, a member of parliament, would have been caught in this kind of a compromising situation, I think RJD is not there. And if your party had taken no action or inaction or pretended to do something and then not done anything, would you have remained in that party, Manoj?
Arnav, I would have quit. And I tell you, there could be an occasion that one of my members could be caught tomorrow. I don't see that my party or any other. It's about the entire political spectrum. I must tell you this, that if parties are not able to take decision on these kind of expose and they don't want to
Then parties you agree have no right to exist.
Can I just...
No, would you say such
And
parties have no right to exist? And claim to serve
I believe that parties should realize that India is changing.
Right.
And they must deal with the message. Don't shoot the messenger.
Wonderful.
Don't shoot the messenger.
No. Now wait,
If you
Manoj.
try to shoot the messenger...
Now, 1 minute, Manoj.
Whether it is
1 minute,
stalking or
Manoj.
snooping.
Manoj, wonderful. I like your idealism.